Hi guys, I just got my August Illumicrate and I figured I should unbox it for you guys, so here goes. First up, there's the spoiler card, Illumicrate spoiler card, which I'm gonna hold on to so I can tell you where everything's from. First up, we got this notebook. It's a dotted notebook for people who like to bullet journal. It is by Hey Atlas Creative, and it has a quote from The Lightning Thief, Rick Riordan. Even strength must bow to wisdom sometimes. Yeah. Next up, there's this Shakespeare Zip Bag design by Miss Phi. Seek happy nights to happy days. It's a quote by William Shakespeare. And it is super big. Oh my god. Next up, we got some tea, red church tea from T-ology. This cute little tea thingy. I say cute, but it says warning may contain the blood of your enemies, so you know, not that cute. Next up, there's these sticky bookmarks or tabs. They kind of remind me a bit more of tabs. And these are from Blossom Books. And I've never really tabbed books, but I would like to, so this might be the start of something new. Also from Blossom Books, there's this book money jar. It's I think it's supposed to like save up for money or for books, save money up. But I suppose you could also use it as a to be read jar. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy books, and that's kind of the same thing. I think this is a pretty cool item to put in, and they fit pretty well together, those two. Thank you, Blossom Books. Next up, there's the Alethiometer coaster from Hitchman art. It's supposed to be the golden compass, I suppose. I don't know. The Alethiometer from Philip Pullman's His Dark Materials. Probably because the Book of Dust is being released later this year. I don't know, but it's a pretty cool design, and I gotta admit, as far as coaster goes, this is pretty cool. So that's awesome. I keep saying cool in these videos, and I'm so sorry, but you know, not really. The featured book is Wonder Woman Warbringer by Leigh Bardugo, and it got red sprayed edges, not pages. And I've been really excited to read this because I don't know, I think it's a wonderful initiative to bring together superheroes and young adult. So I am super excited for the other four too. Then that was the basic bags, but there was also some extras, like this exclusive Wonder Woman pin that's only for Illumicrate subscribers, which is pretty awesome. There was also some Moxie Pins, you know, to really show the girl power. I've heard a lot about Moxie, and I can't wait to get my hands on it. There's some bookmarks from publishers. There's like Nyxia. It lands 21st of September. The Bear and the Nightingale. The Girl in the Tower. The Ringer. That's the sequel for Replica. And this After the Fire bookmark. There's also this postcard from Harbour 360 UK or Young Adult. 9 books that will be released this autumn. Some of them are being released as paperbacks because, you know, regular size paperbacks, which is Frostlight Night and A Million Worlds with You. I've just finished reading this, so I'm not that excited for this to come out, but you know, I'm excited for Wicked Like Wildfire, and I want my hands on some of the others. I love when there's stuff like this because it kinda makes me look forward to new releases and stuff. So, and finally, it was revealed that there would be 2 books, and this Illumicrate, which means there is also an art, and that's Nyxia by Scott Reinken. I am so sorry, Scott, but I can't pronounce your last name. Nyxia, I haven't really heard much about it, but it sounds pretty awesome. So yeah, that's the Illumicrate for August 2017, and this might actually be my favorite of them all. I haven't always been the biggest fan of Illumicrate, but I think they've sort of, you know, upped their game lately, and I really like that, so I might continue being a subscriber.